place a split upon my lips. When it's lit, this bitch get ripped. I place my hands upon her hips. Now when I dip, she dip, we dip. Ooh shit, it's lit up like a Christmas tree. She twist and twerk them hips. By the time we done, she might just have to babysit my kids. I put her cocktails on my tab. She hit the dab, bubble that ass, drop 38 or 45 with extended clip on that ass pop. Put her cocktails on my tab. She hit the dab, bubble that ass, drop 38 or 45 with extended clip on that ass pop. I put her cocktails on my tab.
There go Muhammad Stoppers on. So Muhammad couldn't be here because he went to work, so I'm out here recording for him.
She hit the dab, bubble that ass, drop 38 or 45 with extended clip on that ass pop. Put her cocktails on my tab. She hit the dab, bubble that ass, drop 38 or 45 with extended clip on that ass pop.
That shit is crazy. That
backfire was real. It was like, I was like right on time. You got that on tape?
Yeah. Go ahead, shout out the shop.
Sorry, no, Carrera Auto. We out here.
Tell me your address, just in case.
11303 Maryland Avenue, Beltsville, Maryland. We out here. Instagram, Carrera Auto. Facebook, Carrera Auto.
Right, everything. Muhammad got all the stuff that he has on his car installed by Carrera Auto.